I have looked everywhere on how to get the dash off of a Scion XB 2011. I found a little bit of a video, but I figured I would just put another one up too. Here we go. Alright, to remove the dash, just to get to the air conditioning controls, because this one right here, that's what I got. Just pop this off. Go. Alright, and then there's this little deal here, pretty easily. But now, gotta take this screw out of here, so I'm gonna grab me a screwdriver just to pop that control back in there. But just need to get that out of the way. See, that might work. Okay, I didn't want to have to take. Let's see. There we go. Oh, we had another clip in there. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to. I don't know if that's gonna work. Okay, hold on. 1 second here. Okay, so I had to pull this up here on the dash so that this bottom piece could come through. I need to wash some stuff while I'm in here, huh? Alright, then you can reach all these things here. Now I can look at them and see what the clip is that's busted. Alrighty, so got the looking around in here. I know why my button falls out. There's this little bitty piece right here. That little clip thing broke. That one little baby clip is what's keeping this from falling out. So I had to, this thing was not rotating to all the settings that it can. This coupling, whatever this is, came off. So I pulled that off of there and put it back after I lined it up so that now it turns all the way. I was not getting any just up in the face. It would only go to face and feet. Freeze my feet off. Okay, so now I gotta figure out if I need to buy this, or I'll probably just do something with that while it's in the socket. Yep, okay, had to unplug this from here, and then I went ahead and unplugged that panel that was over my shifter. This thing. Wonder if I got some paint. Okay. That's it. Ooh, figured I would let you know that was a little bit trickier getting back in there than taking out. Up in here, there is a slot, and you actually have to bend this part upwards and look down. You can't see from here, but make sure that that spot, that peg is going into that hole. You got to bend this up. Get that in there. Okay, and this all clips in with various clippy clips there. And this I cannot fix. I need to buy a new part. I took my knob off to get this back in there because it was being a pain. Just unscrewed that. Yeah, good stuff. Thought I'd share my troubles. Didn't let you see all them trouble words, but got it in there. Good now. And now goes all the way to the face. Ooh, almost lost it. All the way to the defrost. Won't be needing that for some months now. Whew, better. Side quest. Alright. I got curious, so to pull out the stereo, take out 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and then, I don't know what happened, you can grab hold, pull her out. Mine looks to have some output. Very interesting. I might have to look further into this. Oh well.